I want to do a quick review of the Evolve C. This is a dual cartridge atomizer vape pen that's designed to vape both concentrates. This atomizer, as you can see, is solid. Okay, when you unscrew it, you've got a single coil ceramic atomizer that can be used for CBD shatter, CBD isolate, or any type of concentrate. Alright, and then in the box you've also got the oil or liquid atomizer that you can use for CBD. You can also vape your traditional e-liquid in this device for stopping smoking. Okay, now the atomizer is not super powerful. It's a 2.4 ohm, so you can't run it at too high heat. It's a very small cartridge. It's only 1.5 mil, so it's not going to hold a lot of liquid, and it's only a 600 milliamp battery. But for people that don't vape high nicotine and they don't vape too much, maybe you go out on a weekend, Friday or Saturday night, you want something to vape with. Well, instead of smoking cigarettes, it comes with both the cartridges, the charger, and the dab spoon. The dab spoon is simply for your concentrates, and it's a great little unit. Comes in a variety of colors, very easy to use, and we do sell the replaceable cartridges and atomizers for just $5. So come on in and check it out. If you have any questions, give us a call here at the store. Thanks so much.